Hello everyone, we are live from the Wagon London HQ and also the living room of some of our remote students who are joining us today. Massive hello and welcome to everyone who is joining us today. My name is Rebecca, I'm the City Manager for the Wagon in London. Today we are celebrating our 30 brand new part-time full-stack web development graduates who have just finished the last 6 months spending just about all of their free time with us learning how to code. Woo! Batch 5. All right, before I hand over to today's stars, I'm just going to do a super quick introduction to the Wagon for those of you who maybe don't know us just yet. So as you can probably tell from our name, Le Wagon, that's the only thing I can say in French. We're originally a French company. We started in Paris back in 2013, and we are now in 46 cities and counting around the world. We have trained more than 11,000 people now in web development and data science, and that number is ever growing. We have two flagship programs, our full stack web development bootcamp and our data science bootcamp. All of the students that you'll be hearing from today have just finished our full stack web dev bootcamp. So the reasons that people join or have joined this bootcamp today, there's loads of different reasons. So some of the people you'll meet today are going to go on and become developers. Some of them are going to work in tech-related roles, maybe in tech consulting, product management, project management. Some of them will hopefully go on to launch their own startup. There's always a few entrepreneurial people in the crowd. And some of them will join the digital nomad life and become freelancers. So we're really excited to follow along and see what you're all going to do next. And of course, we'll be there to help you along the way as well. So not only have our students been learning with us, they've had other lives during the week. So over the last 6 months, they have managed to fit in our full stack curriculum alongside other commitments they've had during the working week. So can we just give them a massive round of applause for that? It has not always been easy, I'm sure, trying to fit all of this learning in around your plans. So honestly, huge congratulations and massive well done for all of your achievements over the last 6 months. You guys are awesome. So we've learned all these things, but the mindset of the Wagon is that code is here to build products, and that is what we're going to be discovering today. So our students have built 8 brand new applications that we're going to be discovering over the next hour or so. We're going to jump right into our first presentation. Please do bear with us between acts, because obviously COVID, we need to sanitize and do a few different things. So yeah, do bear with us when we're transitioning between the demos. So first up today, we have Flock. Flock was built by Emma, May, Louisa, and Rosita, and presenting will be Emma and I. So please come to the stage. The stage is yours. Oops, thanks. This is the transition I was talking about.
All right.
Okay.
Good. Yeah.
Cool.
Sorry.
Right, here we go.
Hi everyone, my name is Emma. I'm 25 years old and I moved to London a few years ago now after I finished uni. I absolutely love living in London. It's a great place to go out, got a great bunch of friends, but over the last 6 months I've seen more and more in the news, anecdotally from my friends as well, how actually being a woman walking around on your own isn't as safe as we quite like it to be. And unfortunately I've had some pretty bad experiences myself. One of my girlfriends has actually been absolutely raving about this app called Flock. it finds women near you who are walking a similar journey home. So you don't have to walk all of your journey alone, hopefully the majority with it, with someone else for security, which is great. Tonight, I've actually just finished a dinner party in Hoxton, and I'm going to go home, which is really near to Shoreditch High Street. So it's only about 20-minute walk away, so can't really warrant an Uber, but it's getting a bit dark, and I like to have some company, so it's a great opportunity for me to try out Flock. So I've signed in, and I'm going to have a look. Because it's my first time using it, I'm going to have a quick look at how to use it. So just really simple, actually. Add your walk start and end point. I can then look at other flockers who are walking in a similar direction to me, find someone who I like the look of and who I want to walk with, find my buddy at a meeting point which is convenient for both of us, flock and walk the journey together. And these 2 points which actually really stand out to me, it's all about security, making sure that I feel safe. So there'll be a unique walking pin that only my buddy and myself will have, so we can make sure that we're the right people for each other. And then I can also share real-time updates of where I am throughout the walk with my emergency contact. And then I can leave a review for my buddy, and then I can flock again, obviously, tell my friends how great it is. So I'm going to use my current location. And then when I signed up, I actually included where I am, where my home is. So I'm just going to add that in. And I'm going to find my buddy. With 0 flockers nearby, which is great. So maybe I'll just check on my dashboard, see if there's anyone there. So, yeah. So what would hopefully happen is that I would have people who come up near me, enter my current location and home, and I can find someone nearby. So any luck, it will work. Sensation. Okay. So imagine that I've seen the profile and it all looks great, and that I've sent a request to my buddy, then I'll be able to find her and walk home with her. Thanks. Cool. So then all the flockers return. I like the look of Anne. She works at this place called the Wagon, it looks like, which is apparently a really great place to work. But she hasn't had any reviews, which is quite interesting. She's got a 0 average rating. So because it's my first time flocking, I quite want to find someone who has done walks before and has good reviews. So maybe I'll use Anne a different time, but I quite like the look of Mai. Let's have a look at her. Oh, she's actually an expert flocker. She's done a lot of walks, great average rating, rave reviews, and she's a tax consultant, which is great because I'm really into tax in my spare time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter a meeting point, which is location, which will hopefully be good for me as well. It'll be good for her. And I'm just going to, hopefully she will get the request through quite soon. In the meantime, I might check out my dashboard, see if I've received, oh, actually, that was super quick. She's confirmed the walk location, the walk meeting request point. So I'm just going to have a look at how I get there just to check. And it's really nearby me. And there's actually a map which shows me how to get there. I'm just going to drop her a note just to make sure that she's on her way. Oh, brilliant. She's replied pretty quickly. 1 minute. Awesome. I'm 1 minute away as well.
Oh, that girl looks like Emma.
Hi.
Hi, are you Emma?
I am. Are you Mai?
Yeah.
What's your pin?
Oh, my pin is this TO243949L.
Brilliant. Let's
We're a
rock.
match.
We're a match. That's easier than dating. Okay, great.
Perfect. Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay.
Cool. Let's rock.
Yeah.
So I can see you're an expert flocker.
Yeah, I've been using the app for a while.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Especially on that app, sometimes I worry about going home late at night and needing some tips for when
You should be able to go out wherever you were.
Exactly, that's weird. I've met so many wonderful women around as well. Lisa, Rosita, and
Woo! I've just got a pop-up. It's asking me if everything is okay. What if I click no help?
so it's just a check-in sometimes to make sure that you're okay from the app, and if you feel dangerous around me, then no help will call your emergency contact number.
I'm actually feeling pretty okay.
Yeah, I'm your bodyguard today, so don't worry, I'm expert flocker.
So I'm all right. I should probably actually also share my live location. So I forgot to. So I'm just going to send it to Sam. I'm going to let them know that I'm nearby.
Yeah, I just want mine too.
Brilliant. Okay. Well, it looks like we're at the first drop-off point.
Oh yeah, it's my home here.
Oh, nice. Nice place.
Very nice to meet you. Very nice to meet you. We should talk again.
I like.
Yeah. Stay positive, test negative,
And I've now just arrived home as well. So click I've arrived. And I'm also going to tell my friend that I'm safe, because I always have this thing with my flatmate always needs to let each other know where we are to make sure that we're safe. And now I'm going to give my review. She was brilliant, great chat, good walking place. I love to add her to my favorites. And I'm going to submit that, and I will have her as reference for the future. And I'll definitely be telling my friends all about Flock.
All right, massive congratulations to Flock for that amazing app, and also handling a little technical difficulty very professionally. The next team that we're going to be looking at is Next NFT. Next NFT was built by Alex, Jonas, Pierre, Simon, and Felix, and will be presented today by Jonas. Woo!
It's not terrifying, literally bricking it. So the question is, why are you here? What's the purpose of your existence? How do you justify the oxygen that you breathe? The answer? NFT. NFT, what is it? Okay, non-fungible token. In other words, it's a digital asset that is unique that you can buy off the blockchain. If you don't know what a blockchain is, go and read the book. It's in the news for the last half an hour. No, but in all seriousness, Jack Dorsey, the esteemed CEO of Twitter, recently created an NFT for £3 million on the first tweet. I think said hello, without what the vowels. Hello without all the vowels, 3 million quid. Why would you buy that? Fuck knows. But the point is, pardon the French, but the point is there's obviously a lot of money to be made in this space. However, why would you purchase an NFT? Is an opportunity to find a platform that allows you to investigate an NFT, communicate, and very potentially accumulate an NFT. Oh look, find a showcase an NFT. Here we go. Clearly the platform I'm looking for. To cut the story short, my name's Frank. I'm a 33-year-old tech enthusiast. I do know a little bit more about NFTs than the average person, but not so much that I feel comfortable purchasing straight off the bat. So yes, the opportunity to find a platform that will help me find NFT from a trusted source would be perfect. I actually signed up to this platform quite long ago. I actually minted an NFT, something we can discuss later on, and I can clearly see that 3 notifications have popped up. It's nice to be valued. From a bloke called Felix, somebody from anywhere around the world has liked my NFT, and we shall see what he's liked. Okay, basketball top, cool jersey, I agree, 2 likes, someone finds I'm hot. Cheers, babe. Okay. Well, thanks for the self-aggrandizement, but I'm going to go back to the main profile and actually find something I'm interested in. As I said before, I want a trusted source, somebody that I know. Pierre is a very good friend of mine. He's from France. However, with Pierre, he's from France, and I left school at age 16 years old, so I can't speak French. So I have to use PI and the whole trust and hope that it comes up. Oh, there we go, Pierre. Brilliant. So this is all the NFTs that Pierre owns. Art, collectibles, that's the things that he's interested in. I do like this monkey. It would be great to actually have a chat with him, let him know. Let him know. That I like his monkey, quality mate. Clearly I've been here before. Okay, which is another thing. Cool lion. Yeah, all right, relax. Cool line, yeah. I hope that he's online. Where's my message? Hang on. Do you know what's even better than actually having a live chat is telepathy. So clearly he likes my line. Okay, brilliant. The thing is, okay, as much as I like Pierre, good friend, spent the whole course with him, I want something a little bit different. Obviously before we saw the art and he likes collectibles, but I'm more interested in sport, to be honest, as you can tell, absolute wedge. So here we go. Alex with Super Mario. Potentially we can play against Italy in the Euros, maybe not. So go for the tennis instead. Okay, wow, what a cool picture. It would be amazing if I can see how much it costs to go and purchase in real life. Apparently it's 18 quid back in the day. But let's see what the real live cost is. Oh, thank God. Right, was it 17 quid? Good. Buy low, sell high. And that was not supposed to happen. Oh, okay. 17 quid, as I said before, buy low, sell high. And that's NFT Squad.
Well done, Team NFT. Next up, we have an app called Streamy. Our presenter is presenting from home. Thomas, are you with us? If you'd like to join the stage, there he is. All right.
Hello, everybody.
Different than when I last saw you.
Super happy to be here.
So Streamy was built by Thomas, Nitin, and Martin. If you'd like to share your screen, Thomas, then the stage is yours.
Sure. So, hey there, everybody. I'm Thomas, 28-year-old. I'm a bit bored at the moment. I'm just on a break at my job. And, I've been thinking I spent my whole day on the internet. I want to get a little break. But, I don't want to go to those social networks, big video platforms, or any of the marketplaces. I just want to, enjoy a nice moment with some real people around that. So the other day I was coming across this app, which is called Streamy. It's quite cool, actually. Let me show that to you. Here you go. So I just logged into my account. As you can see, my hair was a bit nicer a few days ago when I created the profile. And here I can see all the broadcasts that they have right now. I can see a few of them are live here, like Ultimate Running Gadget, Hipster Sunglasses, a few Grandma's Secret Cupcakes, a few other streams coming up. So, oh, wait, Le Wagon, 525 Demo Day. That sounds like an interesting one. Let me check that out. Oh, wait, that's behind you. Yeah, I can see it's quite amazing. I'm going to add that to cart just in case I want to join that bootcamp in the future and create, let's say, a live stream shopping app. Hey, Ben. Hi, everyone. All right, that's enough of a bunch of nerd for now. I'm just going to go back. I'm going to see the broadcast. I can see here, maybe I'm into sports. Nitin's Ancient Sport Nutrients. This guy is trending all over the place at the moment. Nitin's Beast Mode Gear, Power Demo. Yeah, but you know what? A foodie remains a foodie, right? So I'm going to go for food. Actually, there is one that is live right now. Fresh fruit. OMG, it's amazeballs. Let's check that out. Seems to be loading at the moment. I think that I caught the guy right in the beginning.
Hey, hello everyone. So my name is Martin. Yeah, some people also call me Jeff. I don't know why they always say, yeah, you look so awesome, just like Jeff Bezos. He's also awesome. So yeah, and I know the secrets to being
what a
awesome,
legend.
you know, and I want to share it with you. It's really simple. It's fruits, man. It's really wonderful fruits. Now,
those fruits, they look amazing, though.
Yeah, I grow them myself.
I'm quite convinced,
So
like he brought them
nice
himself,
oranges,
right?
You know,
I might get a mango from this guy.
I think mangoes.
Look at this mango papaya,
amazing. It's
actually.
also from my backyard. I don't.
Pineapples from the backyard. I'm also want to add that. You know what?
Yes.
Let me get like 2 of those because they're really cool.
In the live stream, I see a lot of people coming in.
Nice, nice.
If you order now,
I'm thinking I'm at the right
pineapple,
place at the
I will
moment.
color it in the color that you want.
Yeah, I'm down, I'm down.
Orange.
I'm gonna buy those
Also
fruits from
awesome.
this guy. Such a
Everything
legend.
is awesome here.
Let me proceed to check
And,
out.
so
This is me, Thomas. Let me put my card detail in here. This looks very safe with people and everything. Actually, pineapple, my wife is actually allergic to that, so I'm gonna only take 2. Let me check out. Okay, and that's pending. Amazing, amazing, amazing. And in the meantime, I wait for my fruit, and you know what? I'll make sure I don't miss out the next Le Wagon stream. I'll make sure I get to the next stream on also genetically engineered fruit from the same guy, such a legend. Apple calendar. And I'm going to add that now. It's going to be right after my badminton course, and that's it. I think I'll see you guys in the next stream. Thank you so much.
Massive congrats to Team Streamy and that excellent hair. Next up, we have the OA. The OA. The OA was built by Neil, Annie, David, and Arthur. And presenting, we have Neil. All right, the stage is yours, OA. Woo!
Hi everyone. So I just want you everyone to look back to how I ended up here. Something I did a couple of years ago. 2020, 2021 has been a bit crazy to say the least. And you would have hoped that with all the lockdowns and everything at home, social issues would have also taken a bit of a nosedive. Absolutely not. All the floors are notified of the meeting in the Apple. They're everywhere, right here at home. Huge increases. Asian violence towards the Asians. The people that we go out on track for every Thursday still massive lockdown. We start talking about the gender. I met up with a friend, and we was talking about all the usual things we haven't seen something in a while, actually get the side effects and so on. But eventually we talked about something more serious. And she asked me straight up, did I attend being in mind? The answer I said, I had to make a choice between what I thought was right, the sporting cause, and what I thought was right. I chose public health. She said, I did. I went home, picked up my feet, stuck on Netflix, watched the first 3 or 4 episodes of Supernatural I'll be honest, it didn't really help me. and big message, I'm not understanding you in this institution. He said, none of you go to your age properly. Of course, sitting in. What is that? He said, Neil, you don't slacktivism, doing the bare minimum, putting a high rainbow or a fist on your profile picture just for a couple of weeks a year. It fills the gaps between that and getting out on the streets. So for people like me, I was worried about public health, I stayed at home. Anyone who's disabled, maybe this is whatever, there's always arrogance. So he said, you can go to this website, you can do that. So a couple of weeks ago, what I did. I loaded up the OA.org. And I looked at it and I was like, okay, turn hashtags into actions and retweets into revolution. Now even the biggest opponent of social media power is cause for good, it's used in the right way. No one can do that. So I scrolled down to have a look to see how they work. I can see I can choose from a bunch of causes. 1, 2, 3, I can see some on the left here. I select the amount of time I've got, then I'm given tasks I complete based on that. And I hit that again. Straight away I was presented with a bunch of courses. I could hover over, get a description. Anything like matters, but anything else. I decided the courses I was going to focus on today. Black Lives Matter, what Asian hate, and I'm going to Netflix, or Seaspiracy. And can you believe you guys, I had a whole 60 minutes there. About 50 minutes and through I went. Straight away, I was given the content class on the course that I had chosen. Black Lives Matter, Stop Asian Hate, Seaspiracy. Given a live tribute to Black Lives Matter, Seaspiracy, the Anti-Asian Hate Federation, whatever it might be. On the other side of the screen, I've got tasks I can complete in 30 minutes. Now, if I was going to focus on Black Lives Matter, I went back to Black Lives Matter. And I decided I was going to do the very first task, something simple. I was going to go to change.org, sign a petition. So I clicked it, off I went to change.org, filled in the petition version to show you guys how to do that. And I came back. And I marked it off as complete. I then decided to do the next task, email representative@bln.com. Once again, I clicked it off, I went. I then came back, marked it off as complete. I completed a couple more tasks. I thought to myself, I haven't had to sign in and give any details. Removing that barrier makes it so much easier. I decided I was definitely coming back to this website. So I decided to save what I've done so far. I then asked to sign up. Email address. My password is 1, 2, 3, 4. I hit sign up. Once again, I was then taken through to a dashboard showing the cause and the tasks that I had. How many points it was worth, how many tasks, how the total task completed, how many points I earned based on that. And I could also compare myself to the community on the other side, 21 members who completed 92 tasks. It's great to see my 60 tasks. I am in comparison from Malcolm's got 460. So I decided I was going to add some more tasks, do some more. So I hit the plus and point. This time I wanted to complete a couple on Stop Asian Hate. So I went with Stop Asian Hate. I won't show you what I did exactly, but I ticked off the first two as I completed them. I saved them to my account. You can see I've got everything Black Lives Matter, I can take across, and everything I've then got for what Asian hate as well. Now, just one more I want to talk about. So when I came back to the site a few days later, I decided to take action, and I'll send back to the list of causes. And it caught my eye, and I'm not exactly sure whether you heard it, but there's one on here, popcorn block, which is a great idea. An absolutely phenomenal idea, and I'm glad you can tie it in together. So I clicked it, and I only had a few minutes, I only had 5 minutes, so I hit 5 minutes, and I hit take action. And it turns out that's all the time I needed to tell everyone you like about it. And I ticked it off as complete, so I absolutely got that. Save that to my cash, 15 points for that one. So I'm coming after Malcolm, absolutely, I can see it there, Black Lives Matter. 50 points. So for myself And he asked me, Dave, but I'd say thank you, that's the OA, and then hashtag exactly revolution, helping you help people.
Massive congrats to Team OA. Next up, we have an app called Gifted. Gifted was built by Emily, Cindy, Danny, and Thomas, and Emily will be presenting. So give it up to Emily.
There we go. There we go.
Cool. Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Emily and I am self-confessed crap at buying birthday presents, Christmas presents, everything that you can imagine. I really want to be one of those people who is absolutely amazing at buying really thoughtful gifts, things that are really meaningful to people, but actually when special events roll around, what I do is forget until like 2 days before, then end up putting way more money into Jeff Bezos' pocket, buying something crap on Amazon Prime that's definitely going to go in landfill the week after the event. So I've heard from my friends about this amazing app called Gifted. What it allows you to do is save gift ideas when you think of something amazing, and then it reminds you when it's 2 weeks before the event, so you've got plenty of time to buy the perfect gift, and then you can relax and actually enjoy the event. So this is the homepage, looks pretty cool. I've actually already signed up, so just going to log in. And this is my profile on Gifted. So I can see the upcoming events that I've got. I've got Tunda's divorce party on the 10th of July, set to be a pretty boozy one. Also, Callie's wedding's going to be fun. Jay's baby shower is going to be super cute. I can't wait. I can actually see all of my friends here. And actually, me and Clarence fell out a few nights ago because he said he likes pineapple on pizza, and I think that's an absolutely disgusting choice. So I'm going to get rid of him. We fell out. No more presents for Clarence. Something that is really important that's coming up, though, is Errol's graduation. I want to get her something that is really meaningful to her. So I'm going to go to her profile. She absolutely loves Nick Cage, and I saw this really cool Nick Cage wooden spoon. Like, who doesn't need one of those? Also, there's a pizza-themed poster, which looks pretty cool, but I haven't quite found the right gift for her yet. I've got these notes here that I've made whenever she's sort of hung around with me and I've remembered what she said. I've also got other gift ideas that I've saved for other people, so I can look through them. Nothing is quite hitting the spot, so I'm just going to take a look through all of the gifts, because that's something else I can do on Gifted. So I can see all of the gifts that I've saved for everyone and see if there's anything up there that I like. I've got these unassigned gifts. There's some goose socks there, which I know are going to be the perfect present for someone, but they're 61 quid, and I'm not sure if I want to outlay that much money on the graduation present. I've also got some other gift ideas down here. Grow your own hairy beaver, that's my favourite. Who wouldn't love that? And right down at the bottom, we've got more ideas from Etsy as well. What I think would be a really cute gift for Errol would be some pizza earrings. So I'm just going to type in pizza earrings and search for those. let me see what comes up. So what I've noticed is I know that I haven't saved anything in terms of pizza earrings, but if I haven't, then it'll show me more ideas from Etsy, which is great. I can see these cats holding pizza, they're pretty cute. Pizza stole, you stole a pizza, my heart. Okay, that looks pretty cute, but maybe like quite small text. So I'm gonna go for these pizza bagel earrings. So I'll just click add these gifts and then select Errol from the list, create gift, and boom, it's right there. So when it's time for Errol's special graduation day, I know that I will buy her a perfect gift. Now, I'm going to join, oh wait, it's 2 weeks till Tonda's divorce party. God, that's come around super quick. So I'm just going to go back and just see what I got. Oh yeah, lovely little bells there to remind me it's Tonda Cub's divorce party in 2 weeks' time. I'm not sure that a hot air balloon ride would be quite the right tone for a divorce party, but maybe she wants to give something back to the environment, do something nice. So what about an adopt a penguin? I just want to double check that I wouldn't actually be adopting her a penguin. That might be a weird thing to bring to the divorce party. So I'll just check the information. Yeah, definitely just adopting it, £3 a month, and reducing illegal and unsustainable fishing practices. That sounds great. So I'm definitely going to go ahead and buy that. I can just click on that card and it will take me straight to the website where I can buy it. So then 2 weeks before the event, I've sorted the present, I can relax and enjoy the party. Thank you. That's it.
All right, well done to Team Gifted. Next up, we have Right Time. So Right Time. All right. Right Time was built by Harriet, Mark, and Ed ×2, and will be presented by Harriet and Mark. I think for this one, we're going to have a bit of ambiance maybe to start with, and we're having a bit of a scene change. So do bear with us, and we'll get started very soon. All right, let's give it up for Team Right Time. Woo!
Yeah.
There's a whole lot of context and backstory. Medical information. There you go.
Thank you.
It's really good that we've found time to hang out, to have a drink together after all this time.
I certainly haven't been forced to spend the last 6 months.
No, I know, exactly. So what's the plan then? So we're having a drink here, and then what are we doing?
Oh, well, I haven't really got a plan.
You haven't got a plan?
But I have this great app.
Oh, right, okay, cool. So what's that all about?
So it's awesome. It helps you discover great events that are nearby.
Yeah.
That are starting really soon.
Mm-hmm.
And then what's really cool is if you're nearby and they're about to start, you can also find some great discounts on it.
Oh, right, nice, okay. So I imagine that there's probably stuff there that, nearby that you wouldn't necessarily have thought of doing before, but because it's cheap, you're just going to have a punt, see how it goes. Amazing, that looks really, really good. All right, so how do you start? How's
if we press this big yellow button here,
big yellow one, yep.
Should give us all the events that are starting nearby.
Amazing.
Yeah. And then we can filter it between like a restaurant,
okay, cool,
or a drinks place,
yeah,
bar, some people call it.
I have heard it called that.
Cinemas or music venues, but let's stick to the events that are kind of hot right now.
Yeah,
people are buying them, right?
Because then we know they're going to be good quality, right? And so where are we now on that map?
We are here,
okay.
right by Hoxton train station.
Oh, amazing. All right. So what's that one then? So what's the one to the left?
Far left?
Yeah, go on.
That's cinema. We can go and see in the Heights.
Okay. And what about the one to the right?
To the right, tapas.
Nice, that looks good. And what about the one that's a bit further south?
Short Blues Kitchen.
Blues Kitchen is great, amazing. And just caught my eye. What does the dice button do?
Dice button, good question. I believe the dice button throws up a random event. You can't.
Oh, not a casino. What a surprise! Yeah. A random event. Amazing. That's really cool. Okay, great. All right. So why don't we've got a few ideas going around here. Why don't we start a list of favourites and we can maybe compare The ones we
Great
like.
idea. So should we stick this on the favourites list?
Stick that one on the list.
Okay, there's a favourite button up there.
Amazing. And then we need to, I guess, get back to the.
Go back to our events.
Okay, cool.
What to do? There we go. Right one.
Yeah.
And then what else should we do?
So I quite like the idea of the cinema. So if maybe
Cinema.
we put in the heights on the favourites list. And then, whoops.
And again.
There we go. It's almost like it was made for somebody with daintier fingers. So.
Where is it? Oh, press the wrong filter. Here we go.
Okay. Awesome. We could always favourite it from the show page. I mean, there's so many options.
Yeah. Let's just do that.
Yeah. Amazing.
There we go.
All right. So where do we see the list of them then?
So if we press the big heart button down at the bottom,
Yeah.
it gives us a list of what we favorited.
Amazing. Okay, right. So I like the idea of the cinema a bit later. It seems like it starts a bit later as well, so that's cool. Why don't we grab some food first? I'm
Yeah.
kind of up for something to eat.
And the tapas starts so soon, in the next couple of hours, we've got a big discount.
Oh, that's amazing. Right. So the prices get cheaper today the closer you get to
Cheaper
the
the
event.
closer you get to the event.
That's amazing. And the closer you are located as well.
That helps.
Incredible. That's really awesome. What a good idea. I guess that's to help people, come in at the last minute to fill up the venue.
Yeah, fill up the venues, get cheap tickets, everyone wins.
Really good idea. Okay, let's go ahead and have a look at that event then.
So it only starts in three and a bit hours. So
Okay.
soon.
Yeah.
Should we look at the description?
Yeah. That looks pretty good.
Yeah, Spanish omelette.
I love a Spanish omelette, luckily.
Let's
And
and see what Henry's got to say.
yeah, what does Henry say? He seems to like it, right? 5 stars.
Yeah. Chicken nachos, classic Spanish tapas dish.
Yeah, good. Let's go. What do we get him?
2 tickets to that.
2 tickets sounds great. Really cool. Okay, amazing.
Right.
So
Let's
you
go
want my
ahead.
card details, right?
No, don't worry, it's on me.
You're going to pay?
Yeah.
Oh, so lucky. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, that's really nice of you. I guess as someone who's used this app many times, you've probably found that you've been to some really eclectic random events nearby.
Yeah, there's some cool stuff on here, right?
Yeah. Which probably isn't a question you want to ask when you're having to type in card details under pressure, huh?
Nope.
Ah,
Right, let's see if it goes through. I've just paid my wagon fee, so there's always a gamble. That
yeah. let's cross our fingers that it goes through. Otherwise, I'm paying for Spanish on this.
Whammy, we're in.
Yeah, amazing. Okay,
There
great.
you go. So that's confirmation of an order of 2 tickets for tapas, set meal.
Incredible.
20 quid in total, seems like a bit of a bargain.
Yeah, 20 quid, amazing, in Shoreditch for tapas. And just remind me where exactly we're going.
I don't really know, but luckily this app appears to be able to show us directions.
Incredible.
So it's actually just around the corner.
Oh, great. Okay. So it won't even take us 3 hours to get there. That's amazing. That's really cool. Well, I think you're absolutely right. Right Time's a brilliant app, and it seems like it's really useful to be able to find nearby things that are starting really soon for a massively discounted price just to fill up our last few tickets.
Yeah, and I know it's only around the corner, but we ought to get going, right?
I think we'll get going. Yeah. Thank you very much.
All right, well done, team Right Time. So we've got, did you say 3 hours until we need to be at this
3 hours,
tapas place? Okay, that's plenty. All right, so next up we have team Fossum. Fossum was built by, Fossum was built by Ben, Katrina, and James, and will be presented by Ben. The stage is yours. Woo!
Hi there. For the next 4.5 minutes, my name is Linda. I am a 38-year-old, very happily married mother of 2. The good news is that my husband recently retrained in programming, and as a result, he's completely minted. So we've just bought a lovely big house with a lovely garden, and we're really looking forward to doing what I've always wanted to do, which is adopt a dog. I found, like many people in the last 12 months, it's been difficult to find the right place to adopt, and I know that there's been a huge increase in the number of abandoned pets and pets bought irresponsibly through puppy farms and bad breeders. However, trying to find adoption centers with a good user experience, I found really annoying. Too many pets, not enough pets. It's all really difficult. Luckily, I found this website, Fossum. that seems to solve all my problems. I've just got on here, I've just made a fresh account, and now I'm ready to get started. So I can see here that if I'm looking to adopt a pet, not sure where to start, I've come to the right place. Good news. I see here that I can find my perfect pet using a custom matching system to find just what I'm looking for. That's going to be great so I don't waste my time scrolling and clicking through all sorts of pets that aren't suitable. I can see there are certified adoption centers. Really good to know that I'm buying from somewhere responsible, ethical. It's all good. And I can directly communicate with the adoption centers if I have any questions about booking a play date or any pricing issues, vaccinations, things like that. As I scroll down to the bottom here, I can see a selection of very cute dogs. So this looks like exactly what I'm looking for. Let's get started. So I can see there's a list here of some dogs, but I'm interested in that matching system. My perfect pet is just a few clicks away. So I'm going to set some of my preferences here. I'm looking for a dog. I don't mind the gender. I'd quite like for it to be a dog on the younger side so it can grow up a little with my kids. They can really enjoy a good number of years with this dog. I'm working from home a lot more these days, so I'm only away for about 3 to 6 hours. I do have that all-important garden, no other pets, and I have children. And let's see what that brings us. Great, I've got a 96% match with Tommy, the Labrador. So I'm going to click on him straight away. I can see here some really, really cute photos of him. I love that middle one where he's smiling. And in the About Me section, he's 2 years old, the perfect age. He's very friendly and lovely boy. He's good with dogs and children. That's great for me. He likes to be cuddled and loves to smile, which I can clearly see. As I look on, I can see his details here. He needs a garden. He can live with kids. It's all looking good. And on the right here, I can see the adoption center and their address and the pricing. Everything's clear. What I'm going to do is add him to my favorites and carry on my search. In fact, I saw at the bottom here that I could click a button if I was interested in a pet with special needs. Now, I am really passionate about giving all dogs the love they deserve. So I'm definitely going to click this just in case there's a dog that needs that special little bit of love. I'm more than prepared to give that to him. And I see that Zara has matched again with me really, really strongly. She looks like a lovely little Jack Russell Terrier, definitely clicking on her, insta-liking her straight away, so I don't forget. And I can see here she's lovely, playful, friendly, energetic. That's going to be great for my kids. They can both all run around the garden, get tired out together. So that's fantastic. I have owned dogs in the past, so it's not a problem for me. That's good. I've read that in the description. And it's by Battersea Dogs Home. I know they're reputable. I'm happy to do that. Before I book a play date, I think I'm just going to send them a message and ask a question just to check if she's still available. So I'm going to say, is Zara still available? And while I wait, I'm going to go back, search for some other pets, see what else matched. 80% still pretty strong. Let's look at Edith. She looks really cute. I love that little bow tie in her hair. She looks super, super cute. I'm definitely going to add her to my favorites. And I see at the top of the screen here, I've got a notification. It looks like my conversations, I've had a response. Well, what good news? Hi, Linda. Yes, Zara is still available. Have you got any questions? I do have questions. I saw that they are dogs, they're not free from adoption centers. So I'm going to ask, what do I get in the cost? Hopefully, faculty will be able to answer my question while I look around. In fact, because I'm a little bit impatient, I might just go back to the pets and see what's going on here. I'm going to go and see my favorite pets. I've liked Tommy, I've liked Zara. Oh, my conversations are back. And I've got another message from them. What good news. It's a shame they weren't a little faster, but they're probably very busy giving away other pets. The cost includes many things. Vets, behaviors, microchipping, vaccinations. She's already neutered. And she comes with free insurance. That's really, really useful. I'm really liking Zara, so I'm going to ask if I can book an appointment to see her. Can I book a play date next weekend? And let's just see if I can get a response. Of course you can. How about Saturday, 3 p.m.? That's great. I'll do that now. And I'm not even going to check my spelling. So I'm going to find that Zara, I can book that play date. I'm going to message them to say, can't wait. I'm going to book, in fact, I don't know when I'm booking. Let me go back and ask when a good day is to book. So I'm going to go to my messages. Saturday, there it is. Good thing I can remember. So, Saturday, the 3rd of July at 3 p.m. 3 p.m. Book that play date. And let me just check that's gone through. I can see that it's gone through there. I've got the address. It's in Battersea. I'm just going to tell them that I've booked it. And hopefully it's all gone through. Fantastic. We look forward to seeing you soon. And I can't wait to go and meet Zara. It's been so easy to use this app. It's really going to help me find my next dog and make the world a better place. That's the end of our presentation. On behalf of myself, Kat, and James, thank you so much. And finally, I'd just like to thank everyone at Wagon, Lucy and our batch leader, all the TAs, and every one of you for making this past 6 months just amazing and unforgettable. Thank you very much.
We're down to our last project, if you can believe it. So our last but not least, the demo today will be for Wonderpass. Wonderpass was built by Charlotte, Robert, Jose, and Alexander, and will be presented by Alexander. The stage is yours. Woo!
Ready. Hi everyone, my name is Alex, and I used to travel quite a lot before the pandemic, and now that things are open up again, I thought I'll explore the UK and places I haven't been before. And my good friend Nathan told me about this wonderful app called Wonderpass, so I thought I'll check it out with you guys. All I did is type in Wonderpass.me, and already the front page looks amazing. And if I scroll down a bit, I can see there's some explanation about what Wonderpass is. So let's see. All right, so you browse Wonderpass, and you can actually find some stamps to collect. All right, and you can even build your own itinerary to make it easy for you to collect those stamps. Amazing! It makes my life a lot simpler. And then all I have to do is just explore the wonders, take a picture, and then upload it on Wonderpass to get my stamp. That's it. It's that easy. And I've even impressed my friends by sharing my stamp books and my stamps that I've collected. And I can even compete with them to see who gets the most stamps. All right, let's go on Wonderpass. So I've logged in, and I'm now on my profile page. And my good friend Jose, last time I checked, was just above me on the leaderboard, so I'm just gonna check right now. Yeah, all right. It seems like he has one more stamp than me. That's fine. Last weekend, I went to St. Paul's Cathedral, and I took a picture there. So let me go to my stamp book and like my stamp from St. Paul's Cathedral. Let me go to the top corners of the UK. And then I'm just gonna go for the pages and try to find St. Paul's Cathedral. And yeah, that's it. That's the one. All right, simple tutorial, that's the one. I'll just click on there and then just drag in or put my picture on that I took from Simple's tutorial. And it takes a few seconds to do that, and it's that easy. And then once the picture is uploaded, I can just check my stamp, and that's it. I got my stamp. I can even see there. I want to pass my the landmark, which is great. And I even collected a bronze star because I collected 25% of the stamps in that stamp book, which is amazing. I can even show off to my friends now. But I'm actually aiming for gold. I collect 100% of the stamps in that stamp book. All right, that's good. Let's go back to my profile page. And in about 2 weeks' time, I'm actually having a trip to London, so I have a few days there. And I can see that I haven't collected that many stamps in London, so I'll create an itinerary to make it very simple for me to collect the stamps while I'm there. So I go into actions, and then create itinerary. And then let's call it London Quest, so I remember that when I go there next week. And then all I have to do is type in London as a destination and Wonderpass will be the magic after. Let's go next. And the landmarks I'm really interested in are historical, culinary, and sport landmarks. So I'll just put that in. Actually, I'll go for a 35 miles radius. I don't want to go too far, 35. And then I don't want to include stamps that I've already collected. So I'll click next and let my Wonderpass show me some of the stamps that it suggests. So I'll go Buckingham Palace, I go Tower Bridge, and the House of Parliament. And that's it. I've selected at least two so I can create an itinerary. And Wonderpass will suggest the best route to take to collect the stamps. All right, I'm actually going cycling. I'm a big cycler, so let me go cycling. And let me check out some of the directions that Wonderpass is giving me. All right, that looks really good. I'll go back to that when I go back to London, go to London next week to know where I'm going. All right, let's go back. And now I can see my itinerary, but let's make London Quest my active one. So I'll just click on active. And then now if I go back to my profile page, I can see it on my profile page there. So every time I can see it. And I'll just put my profile box on the side so it doesn't, And then the last thing I want to do is my family and I are really into France and we travel there quite a lot. And actually went on Wonderpass and I can actually see any stamp books related to France. So I thought, why not create a whole stamp book and share it with my family so we can sort of compete who can get the most stamps. So let's do that. Let's go to actions. See your stamp books and then create a stamp book. And then let's give it a name, France Adventures. That's it. Let's give it a nice description. Beautiful country. And then I can see that Zara is there, and it's one of the places I want to include. So it's at the very top of the list. And then I'm trying to Zara. And then I tried to find Paris, but I can't see Paris on there for some reason. That's fine. On the next page, I can actually create a location. But before I do that, I'm just going to allow friends to fill my stamp book so my family members can then also have their stamp books on the profile page and collect the stamps. All right, that's it. Let's go next. And now let's create Paris. The Paris location. So I'll just type in Paris. And then I'll add a description. Beautiful city. And then as the category, I'll put cultural. And then I'll just upload a nice picture so everyone can see how beautiful Paris is when they visit that place. All right, that's it. Once I'm done, I'll just hit create location. And then Wonderpass will create that location for me. It took me literally a few seconds. And then once that's done and I've added my locations, I click on finish, and then my new stamp book is created. All right, there it is. Amazing. As you can see, I can't actually fill my own stamp book, but then when my family members go in, they can actually click on that and get that stamp book on their profile page. All right, that's great. That's awesome. Let's go back to my profile. And then right now I'm actually zooming on my itinerary, but I want to go back and zoom out and see all the stamps that I can collect from the samples. So I'll just click on see all samples. I said see all stamps. All right, awesome. I can even see the location that I've just added. So let's click on that. Paris, amazing. It's there. And all right, so I guess now I'll go on my adventure and collect my stamps. So see you guys, and we'll see you on Wonderpass.
Oh. Hello, I'm here now. Massive congratulations to Team Wonderpass and all of our students who have graduated today from our 6-month part-time bootcamp. I'm just going to say a few words of thanks, and then I think we might have a few wee drinks and discuss what you're all going to do with your free time now, probably coding still. Let me just jump back into here. All right, so a few people. First of all, I really want to thank our whole London team. There's lots of stuff that's going on behind the scenes. Woo! Yeah, you're great. Biggest shout out, of course, to Lucien, who has been your batch owner. All right. But of course, we couldn't do it without your amazing team of TAs. Some people say, big thanks to all the TAs. And then finally, of course, our newest graduates. Here you all are. Well done. Also, a big shout out to our classmates who are joining us remotely today. We wish you were here, and we're looking forward to celebrating with you in a few months at the reunion party. Woo! Yeah! All right, that is all from us. I hope that you all have a great evening. We're going to go have a little celebration now. And yeah, I'll let you say goodbye to everyone here that's on campus.